Hi, class. I was looking at the last problem that we just did, where we had to find the regression or find the best fit line. And I really think that they wanted us to find a regression. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do this. It turns out I actually made a calculation error, which was my fault. But let me show you how to do this with your calculator. Are you ready? So here's what we're going to do. Click on the stat key, okay? And I'm going to try to do this slowly enough so you can see. And then when you're highlighted on edit, hit the edit button, okay? And what you need to do is you need to clear your cache. So scroll up to the top where it says L2 and hit the clear key. That's right here. And that's going to clear all the values, okay, in that thing. Okay, now do the same thing over here. Go up to L1 and hit the clear key again and hit enter, and that clears all that data. So now let's put in the data, the 4 data points that we had. So I'm going to type those in. You ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. Those are my X values. And then as you recall, the Y values, they were what, 12, I think? Let me go back to the PowerPoint here. They were, 12, 62, 72, and 40. So 12, 62, 72, and 40. Okay? So let me stop moving the calculator so you can see it, okay? So that's what it should look like. So now what you're going to do is go back to stat. So click on stat again, okay? And then you're going to go over to where it says calc. And then I want you to scroll down until you see quadratic regression, okay? Now, what this is going to do, let me explain to you the difference here. What I was trying to do in the video was I was trying to solve the exact equation. But I realized, okay, that in order to do this, okay, in the midst of the problem, in order to do it, I had to kind of use, it would have been better to use matrix algebra, okay, or to use linear equations. But linear equations and matrix algebra are not part of this course. So I'm thinking that this is actually going to be a better approach. If you get a problem like this on the test, is to just use this technique to find the quadratic regression using your calculator, okay? So put it on quadratic regression, hit enter, and enter again, and it's going to think. And there's my equation right there. Okay, now this makes more sense than what I got previously. Remember what I got previously, I actually had a positive coefficient for A, which is bogus, right? I know based on the curve that it's going up and coming right back down. So the A coefficient has to be negative, okay? So again, this is not a precise result, but it is a probable result based on the regression equation. And you can see the R square is very, very close to 1. So this is actually a very good model, okay? So A is negative 0.205, B is 11.19, C is negative 79.5. And this is the equation, okay? So I hope this helps you. And, again, remember that if you have questions about homework or anything else, email, and I'm more than happy to work any problems using in Edfinity that come up, okay? Bye.